Sir, we have to do from 8.2.
You have to do from 8.2.
Yeah.
I gave you homework, Abdullah, also. So did you do your homework? I only
No,
gave
sir.
you 2 questions.
No, sir, you didn't.
I did actually, Abdullah. Just check your what do you say, assignment website. Your father has it, right?
Sir, I checked by myself the
You check
like
by yourself.
student portal assignments.
So you didn't found it there? Didn't find it there?
No, I didn't. I only got science assignment, not maths. Your last assignment you shared me on 9th October.
Okay, I actually recently also shared you. So maybe there might have been a technical issue, maybe on your website. Okay, like the homework maybe wasn't uploaded from our side. Okay, maybe due to a technical issue. I'll just check on this. Okay, so anyways, there were only just 2 questions, so we'll do them today. Yes, Abdullah, we did till example number. No, no, we also did estimation percentages.
Yeah,
Okay, so we have to now start with tax. Actually, what is tax?
tax the money which
So
government takes for facilities.
yes, so now Abdullah, we all, every country has a government. Okay, every country has a government. Okay, and the government runs on taxes. Now, what are taxes? Taxes are the taxes are the money government asks, money government takes for our services. Okay, I'll tell you. Suppose you go buy anything. Okay, suppose you went to the market and you bought some chocolates. Okay, so now there would be a tax on those chocolates. Okay, there would be a tax on chocolate? Because government made the roads so transportation was easier due to this. Okay, also government is like supplying something, all that.
Sir,
So basically government,
In India, the
yeah,
tax is called as GST.
yes, in India tax is called as GST. This is GST, goods and services tax. So basically, this is the tax on goods and services. So any service you take, for example, you travel from metro. So like you travel from a train in India or a flight. Okay, so on that flight there would be some part which you would have to pay. That would be tax only. Okay, that would directly go to the government, and special and also like goods. So in when we buy any goods, we would have to give tax. So this is known as
Like 3%.
GST. Okay, this is known as GST. Now, GST, goods and services tax in India. So, like goods and services tax, there is also there is also sales tax. There is also value added tax. So they all are same. Okay, value added tax. So do not fall for words. All of this only means taxes. Okay, and this has been from a very long time that people have been giving taxes.
The tax and VATs are same.
Yes, tax and VATs are like almost same. In your book, it would be same only. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So taxes, all of them are taxes. Now see, discount was something which was given to you, which reduced the price, right? Suppose you go and buy a thing which was for 100 rupees, but they gave it to you for 90. So 10 rupees was the discount. But you go and buy a thing which was for 100 rupees, and they give it to you for 110. Okay, so that 10 rupees is the tax. But actually now whenever we see that like they already have added the tax in the like the mark price, or maybe sometimes they haven't. Okay, like whenever you go to buy food, in food they additionally add the taxes in the end. So
I
this is the
thought
total number of
it
tax.
was like a profit for them.
No, tax was in profit. So suppose I am a shopkeeper, okay, Abdullah, and you are a customer. You come and buy something from me, okay, like 100 rupees. You buy something which is worth 100 rupees, but I charge you 110. So this 10 rupees is the tax, and this won't be a profit for me. This would go to government. This would go to the government. Okay, I would
Yes.
only get 100 rupees out of it, and 100 rupees, how much was the profit? I would get that. Okay, so I won't get it from 110. Now see, so now Abdullah, I told you in discount formula was,
Discount from which I have it.
yes,
Sir, is it like a selling price by
discount was MRP minus the selling price.
yeah, I'm
Okay, but tax is, in tax the selling price is more and the mark price is right, left, the mark price is less. So the formula for tax is selling price minus the mark price. Okay,
yes.
tax is equal to selling price minus the mark price. Now similarly, tax percent, again tax percent is,
Sir, what is mark price?
what was mark price? Abdullah, mark price was the price which is marked on an item. Suppose you go buy a shirt and it has written 2000 rupees. Okay,
So what
or
involves in mark price? Like the items.
yes, like mark price would be, either would have to see, I would either in the question you would have to find the mark price or you would be given the mark price.
In
Okay,
mark price,
so
there is no profit or tax and anything.
no, in mark price there is no profit. Okay, this is basically market rate price, MRP, market rate price. It is the price which is in the market. So profit is something different. Profit के बाद ही they put the mark price, but not discount and what you say, tax. Okay, that is apart from the, okay. Yes, is this clear, Abdullah?
Yes.
Okay, so now see, I told you tax percent, like the way discount. What was the formula for discount percent, Abdullah?
Which I'm checking. On percent. Discount, then like discount by setting price is equal to
Are you sure it was selling price?
no buying price.
Mark price, discount per mark price into 100. So similarly, instead of discount, just यहाँ पे tax आ जाएगा. So tax percent is equal to tax upon mark price into 100. This is the formula for tax percent.
So what if the item is 59 reals and the discount is 99%?
We are saying the item is
59 real.
59 real and discount is 99%.
Yeah.
Where did you find a type of things, this type of thing, like who does give a 99% discount anyways? So let's assume that, so basically now see, item, this is the mark price, right? Like you are saying that this was the item which it costed for. So basically 99% of 59, so that is 99 by 100 into 59. So just to do the calculation, is 58.41. 59 minus 58.41. So that is 5.0.51. So 0. So Abdullah, the item would cost 0.59 rupees or real. 0.59 real.
I bought it.
You bought it?
Yeah, I bought it for 0.5 India.
Like you actually found something like this, like something which has 99 real discount,
Yes,
99% discount.
yes, I
Uh,
found it.
where okay, what did you buy?
Yeah, I really bought it. Like there was a huge offer there. I really bought it. That was one left shirt in online.
Oh my God, such a less price,
Yeah,
like, not even a single real. Yeah. And what was the item you bought?
shirt.
Shirt. Oh my God, you basically bought a shirt in, if I tell you about in Indian rupees, you bought it for rupees 15. Here you wouldn't even get what you can say, a hanky in 15 rupees.
Yeah.
You bought a shirt
And
for
here the maximum rate of a shirt is 28 reals.
wait, no, I can't believe that.
Really, sir, in
How
online shopping.
so like what is the how is the quality of the product?
Very bad.
Then I can understand. Like when I was in Makkah, even I saw some people selling like the thobe at 10 riyal, 15 riyal. So I got to know that either they were second hand or quality was very bad. So, anyways, Abdullah, note these two formulas down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर जो शर्ट लेके आया था एक दिन में फट
Uh,
डन
एक दिन में फट गई.
यस सर
Say, what else did you expect at such a less price? So, anyways, Abdullah, now moving on. Example number 4. The cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. So now he
सर
says
आई
that
कैन डू दिस
the cost of a pair of. Okay, we'll do this one. Don't look at the book. Okay.
ओके सर So yesterday my mother saw I was copying from book yesterday while class was going. So she took book from me.
No, no, you shouldn't do it. I'll allow you to open your book because so that you can read the questions simultaneously. Otherwise, I have the book open here. So that actually there is no need for it. Okay.
Okay, sir. I said you sir yesterday. I was.
Yeah. That was what you were honest. So you should be awesome.
Yes, sir. Then, sir, first I
Yes.
simplified 20 by 100 into 22. 220. I cut the zeros, 20 cut, then 100 also. It came 2, then down 1. 2 into 22 is equal to 44.
Wait. Now, just say. First of all, basically, what was this 450? What was this given?
Uh,
Selling price?
yes,
450 was the selling price.
450 was
Okay,
the
then.
second.
Okay, so then they said find the bill amount. So bill amount is the one like the bill amount we give, right? So the selling price is actually the bill amount. See, this was the mark price. The cost of a pair of roller case at a shop was 450. Okay, so cost. Either you say cost price or you say mark price. So mark price is the rupees 450. So MP was rupees 450. Okay. Then the cost of the sales charge. Now the tax. Tax was 5%.
5 by
So we need to
100.
find, yes, so 5 by 100 into 450. This is cancels.
Then it will come in decimal.
This will come to 22.5, right?
Yeah, that one.
So now the selling price, I told you the formula. Tax is equal to, uh,
Sir,
this is the tax. This is the
sir,
tax of the, yeah, tax. This is the tax, okay? So now tax is equal to selling price minus the mark price. So now we know the tax, that is 22.5. Selling price we need to find out. Mark price was 450. So now mark
sir, we
price
will
selling,
add
yes, so selling price is 450 plus
450 plus
22.5. See, this is the
22.5.
formula 472.5.
472,
Was this the answer you were getting, Abdullah?
472.50. Sir, why
Yes.
you didn't wrote here 22.50? Just 22.5.
Because of the rate is the same. If I 22.50000000 and 22.50 or 22.5, it is all the same.
My
Because
mark will
doesn't
not
matter how,
do that.
see, actually it doesn't matter how many zeros are there in the decimal of after the in the end. Okay, so zeros don't value in the end after a decimal. Okay, that is why I only wrote 22.5. Okay,
Yes.
so was this the answer you were getting, Abdullah?
Sir, it
472.5.
was asking what was the bill amount for
Yes,
after sales tax and the cost of item.
yes. So what was the bill amount?
It was 472.5 not.
You are getting this right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So actually, see, formula and all, this is like the second thing. This is basic, right? You go to buy something which is 100 rupees, there is 10% tax on it. So 10% of 100 is rupees 10. So actually, the total cost of it would be 100 plus 10, that is 110. So actually, the total cost would be 110. So this is the selling price. Sorry,
Excluded tax. Excluded tax.
tax excluded, it would be 100 rupees. Similarly, this
If
if
the,
you exclude the tax,
if
it
the
would be 450
10%
rupees.
was the tax in 90 rupees, it will be
You are
100.
asking that the 10% on 90 rupees.
Yeah.
So 10% of 90 is rupees 9. So now the tax would be 9 rupees. So now the total selling price would
No,
be
I'm not asking
mark price
that
plus the tax.
the discount. I'm asking
Yeah.
if we added
Hmm.
10% tax on 90.
Tax plus 10% tax on.
90.
Yeah. So like basically I can't understand your question, Abdullah. Can you just repeat what your question is? Can you just clarify that to me?
Sir, if we you added the tax on 100 rupees, you got 110 rupees. Like
Yeah.
that, if we add tax on 90 rupees, 10% tax on 90 rupees,
Yeah.
so you get 100.
No. See, this is the thing. We won't get 100. Now this is what we did, right? 10% tax on 100 rupees. 10% on 90 rupees, I mean 90 rupees. So first we have to find what is 10% of 90. 10% of 90 means 10 by 100 into 90. That is actually 9 rupees. So now the bill amount would be 90 plus 9. So actually it is not 100, it is 99. Now you got it?
Yes.
Okay. So you have written this question, right? By yourself only, example 4.
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, now try example 5, Abdullah.
Okay, sir. Sir, here the tax is 15%.
Sorry, Abdullah.
Here tax is 15% tax.
Yeah, actually it's different on different items.
Sir, before when I was in fourth grade, I thought that Indian currency
Yeah.
is too much expensive.
No, no,
Then
no. No, no, Indian currency is not very too much expensive. Like Saudi currency is 23 times, dollar is 80 times, similarly
I
euro is
was
100
so
times.
much
So,
like happy.
no, 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 no.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so what was the answer you were getting, Abdullah, and were you able to do it correctly?
Where by cut by simplifying it like 100 by 110 into 3300. Like I just multiply, like I cut and I multiplied, like I was getting 3000 rupees after that.
How I just want to know how did you get 3,000 rupees?
Like I cut it, then 100, then 3000, like that.
See, actually, Abdullah, in this question, this is the, like I can say, the toughest question which you will find. Okay, in your book. See, Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees. So this is the question. Bought an air cooler. So she bought. So actually, bought is the selling price, right?
Yes,
Like she bought, so it was the price at which it was sold. So selling price is 3,300 rupees, and tax on it was 10%. Tax percent was 10%. We only know this much, and this
yeah.
information is more than enough to find out. Find we need to find basically we need to find the third quantity, that is mark price. Okay. So first of all,
Mm.
Abdullah, we have tax percent and we have the selling price. So what is the formula for tax percent?
Tax percent, then 100 by like
Tax percent is equal to tax upon MRP into 100. Or basically we can say that, like if
then
we
I
have the
have
tax
to
percent,
learn this all tax formula.
sorry,
I have to learn this
Abdullah, your
all.
voice is very much cracky. Like
Sir, I
I did
have
tell you
to
this formula, right?
all.
But I did tell you this formula, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, actually you find that approach better. You apply that approach. So basically, Abdullah, 10% of, you can say MRP as X. So 10% of X is equal to something, and when it is added on, see, actually it is MRP plus 10% of MRP added is equal to the selling price. I'll tell you what I just did, Abdullah. It might be a bit confusing. See, actually, if I add the MRP plus tax, would I get the selling price? Yes, Abdullah. Just tell me, if I add the MRP and
Sir,
tax, would I get the
they
selling
will
price?
not get.
See. What was the formula for tax? Tax was selling price minus MRP, right?
Yes.
Tax was selling price minus MRP. So basically, selling price is tax plus MRP, है ना?
Yes.
Basically, what was selling price? Selling price was tax when added to the MRP. The price which is marked plus the tax would be the price at which we will buy that thing, right? Okay, now. So MRP plus tax is equal to selling price. Now MRP we named at X, named as X. So this is X plus, now tax. How do we find out tax? Tax is 10%. So 10% of X, right? 10% of X. Why 10% of X, Abdullah?
Because 10% is the tax.
Yes, so 10% of X is equal to selling price. So this is 3,300. Now this is X plus 10 upon 100 into X is equal to 3,300.
So we have to
Now,
find the value without VAT or tax.
yes, we are finding that only. See, Abdullah, what is X? We only have an unknown quantity here, that is X. We need to find X, right?
Yeah.
How to find X? How to find X? Like what is X and what is X? X is the mark price, and mark price is the
That is
price of
10.
the item before tax was added,
Yeah.
right? So is this clear now, Abdullah?
Yes, sir.
So now see x plus 10. So now this is x. This is x plus x by 10 is equal to
Then it will
3000
be like
300. You just have to do
300
the
rupees
calculation. This is
tax
10x.
is there.
Yes. So 300 rupees will be the tax. So see how to do it. This is 11x is equal to 3000 by 11. So this is 11 1 11 3 so 3000
Then,
rupees is the MRP.
yeah. 3,000 is the
3000 rupees is the
MRP. The tax is 300.
x is equal to 3000. That is equal to MRP, mark price, and tax was selling price minus the MRP, mark price. So selling price is 3300. This is 3000. So in the end, we will get 300 rupees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now is this clear, Abdullah?
Yes.
So what we had to find out, we had to find the price before the VAT was added. So price before the VAT was added is basically the MRP only, sir. Mark price that is equal to 3000 rupees. So you can say the price before the VAT was added was rupees 3000. Okay.
Yes.
If not, Abdullah, should I tell you one more way, or is this clear to you totally? And
This
you
is
will be able to
clear,
apply
sir.
it.
Other,
Okay, because
other one will be jumbled in my mind then.
okay. So if it is clear for you, let it be.
Sir, I am copying this, like this one.
Yes, Abdullah. Copy this.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, Abdullah. So now do this one. The way we just did the previous one, this is exactly the same. So now I want you to do this one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I explain the solution of the question?
Yes, Abdullah.
Like, sir, the original price was like 100 rupees, and the GST was 12 rupees.
Okay.
The Salim brought it for like 784 rupees. No? So we have to add them like 100 plus 12.
Are you reading the book solution?
Yes, sir.
No, no, no. See, I told you yesterday also. If you are not getting it, I'll tell you. This is exactly like we did the previous question. Look at previous question, Abdullah. We did it
Yes,
exactly.
sir.
It is like that.
Till
Only
last,
the tax percentage, only the tax
I did
percent and the selling price is different. Yes, Abdullah. So you did it this way only.
I did it till last. After that, I opened the book. I didn't did the answer by saying.
Okay, so like I do it. I told you not to open the book. Ask me. See, here I am to teach you, not to like take a test of that whether you know or not. I am to teach you, so how will I teach you unless I know that you are not getting this point or you are making some mistake here? See, the selling price is was 784. Now, why was that?
Yeah.
Selling price was 784 rupees because it was the price at which it was sold. See, you can see now Sunny bought an article. So like it was sold to him for rupees 784, which included GST of 12%. So it already had GST, which is tax of 12%. So Abdullah, I told you let the MRP be X. So I told you X plus 12% of X, like MRP plus the tax would be equal to the selling price. So MRP is X and tax would be 12% of ये इसका जो 12% इसका जो होगा that would be the tax, right? Which is
Yes.
equal to 784. You did this?
Sir.
You did this much? Okay. Now see X plus 12%, like this is 12 by 100 into X is equal to 784. Now Abdullah, see, if I multiply this on the here side, so this would be 112x by 100 is equal to 784. You get this? You got this?
Till here I have done. After that, I
Okay,
have.
till here you have done. So after this, you are not able to do the calculation part. Yes, Abdullah?
Yes, sir. The calculation part I was not able to do.
Okay, so see. See, now further, if I take first, this is in division. If I take this here, this would be in multiplication. है ना?
Yes.
So now 112x is equal to 784 into 100. Or now, if this is a multiplication, if I take this here, it would be in division. So x is equal to 784 into 100 by 112. Yes. Can we just clear this much? How I did it? Yes,
Yes.
Abdullah?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now we just have to cancel it. 784 and 112. Which common factor do they have?
Sir, they have two.
Yes, 2. I always told to start from the base. So smallest prime number is 2. So now 2. 2 fives are now 2 fives is 10. So what is left? So 1 will go here with 2. So now it will become 12. So 2 6 are. Is this clear, Abdullah?
Yes.
Similarly, if I get this, so this is 2 3s are 6. Now 2 3s are 6. So it was 7 here. So 1 is still left because it was 2 3s are 6. 1 is still left. So 1 will go here. Now it will become 18. What divides 18, Abdullah? By 2?
Two, two nines.
2 nines. So it would be 9. Then 2 nines are 18. This is done. Now we have 4. 2 into what is 4? 2 twos are. So now we have 392 by 56. Again, will it go by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now dividing this by 2, so this is 2 ones are 2. Now 1 is still left. 1 will go here with 1. So now this will become 11. 11 is not divisible by 2. So this is 2 5s are 10. Again 1 is left. 1 will go here. And this is 2 6 are 12. Is this clear, Abdullah?
Yes, sir. Till include.
Yes. Now also here, tell me not you tell me for this one.
For 156.
456.
We
You
can
are
do this 3.
no no. ऊपर वाला हमने 2 से कर रहा है, so we'll do this also by 2.
Okay. 2 sevens are.
How come 7, Abdullah? And now I'm looking for 56, not 156. This one, Abdullah. So you're getting confused. This one. Got it? ऊपर वाला मैंने कर दिया, नीचे वाला आप करो. This is what I'm saying. Got it? आपको ये
Okay.
वाला करना है. Okay? So now tell
Okay.
me
2
56.
twos are.
Yes, 2 twos are. What are we left with?
Then 2 threes are 6.
Wait. 2 twos are was 4. One is still left. Abdullah, don't do this mistake. Don't do this mistake. 2 twos are was 4, but it was 5. So one यहाँ चला गया ना. One would go here. It
2
would become
eights are.
16. Yes. Now is this clear?
Yes.
Again, will it go by 2? 156 and 20, both will go by 2?
Yes, sir. It can go by 2.
Yes, so this is 2, 2, 2, 7. Achha, now tell me 156.
156. 2 sevens are 14.
Yes,
Then 1 left. 2 eights are
yes,
16.
very good. Now tell me about 28.
28. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 16.
Are you sure?
No,
2 ones are 2.
19.
Again, are you sure of the light is 19? 2 ones are 2. Is there anything left?
Yeah, 14.
14, yes. Will be 14. Again, will they both go by 2?
Yes, they will.
Yes, so now tell me the next one.
2 threes
78.
are
Yes,
2
2
threes
threes are?
6. 1 left. 2 9 9.
Yes, very good. Now tell me about 14.
Yeah. Then next one is 7.
7. Now 7 and 39.
It will go by 3.
7 won't go by 3.
It is last, I think, now.
6, 8. Oh, acha, actually, Abdullah, see, here I did a mistake. Actually, due to this cut, I actually assumed it to be 312. This was actually 392. This was 392. मुझे लगा 312 है. Okay, so I just change it. This is 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 196. Changing this 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16. Changing this 49. So now Abdullah, we have 49 and 7. What is the common factor for 49 and 7?
7.
7. 7 ones are and 7 sevens
1
are.
is 7. 7 sevens are 14.
Yes, so we have 7. Now here we have 7 and here we have 100. So actually the answer is
The answer is 700.
700. This was the MRP before the tax was added. How much is the tax now, Abdullah?
So the tax, no.